Yo, what go on? Problem child, the Vincent bad boy. I'm not doing one. You know the rest. Bigging up the Yaadman. He's not a fraud, man. Come on.
If you look at hand and skinny man like me, give me some already talk because I want time.
If I censor something that you want to see, I am not sorry. Because me not gonna make YouTube take no money from me. So me I said, dog, you see how me I innovate the thing? Podcast on the road, we're going back to Vox Pops Bumbuk. Get one. Actually, I use this cup well after Carnival. So when I say that Carnival is chaos, I mean that the difference between you having the time of your life, experiencing a cultural extravaganza, versus you having the worst day of your life. It could be as simple as forgetting one little detail. You have to know how to pace yourself throughout that time. There are things that you're going to have to know to be prepared for Carnival, because trust me, you want to be having the time of your life. You don't want to be going too hard, getting blackout drunk, sleeping on the side of a public road, potentially catching a charge for public intoxication. You don't want to be dropping off of a truck. You don't want to be suffering bodily harm because a truck run over you. So welcome to the Carnival Survival Guide by Yaadman Etan. First things first, what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to decide whether or not are you just going to be a simple patron or are you a masquerader?
Real men play mass.
If you do decide to go the route of the masquerader, what I will say, make sure you put on the costume the day before. Make sure you have comfortable shoes for the road. You see me? Ladies, make sure you cut your toenail them. Alright? And everybody, if you wear sneakers on the road, get some soft shoes. Make sure you have your trusty igloo. You see me? Come looking at this. We'll have ice, we'll have rum, we'll have Gatorade, we'll water, punch, and we'll punch. You see me? Because guess what? You can't just depend on the band to get you drunk and hydrated. And of course, you have to make sure you get your good Carnival costume. Big up Asteria Mas Band for sponsoring this video. You put on them here before the bell, cause Mother Nature have powerful lungs, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah. Wait, so you're not gonna come here, so you're not gonna free up the air. You see me?
I prepared this from last night, brother. I know exactly what to do.
Yeah.
Make sure you know how the costume fits. Make sure you know your functionality within the costume, because you're going to have to know how to wind the gal them, gents. Alright? And ladies, you're going to want to know what distance off the clock you can travel, because you're going to need to know if you can position in a 6:30 on the clock. Tick tock, don't stop. You're going to want to sexy up yourself for Carnival. For any Carnival. Make sure you have your summer body if you want to jump from island to island. We had St. Vincent Carnival in early July, then St. Lucia right after. Point is, if you're one of those people who want to experience Carnival in this kind of way, from not just within your region, but you want to experience Carnival all over the Caribbean and anywhere Caribbean people are, you have to make sure you want to look the part. You're going to want to make sure that you are looking how you are looking. It doesn't even matter how you're looking. Make sure you eat healthy first of all. Make sure you're fit up, you have your stamina ready. You have to make sure that your back is strong. Alright? Not necessarily big, but strong. Am I forgetting anything else? If there's one more tip that can offer, drink responsibly. Yeah.
Alright, let's go! Yeah!
My neighbor girl is friendly, I love you.
Yo, take off your pants, you know.
It's amazing. when you walk up on people that you know from high school.
Yeah, man, all the way from Jamaica, live and direct. It's about your latter Sam with the original, the one, the only Yaadman Etan, you know?
Yo, I am humble. I don't even understand who this man was in high school, you know. And not even who this man was, who this man is in the present day, you know.
I appreciate that. I really appreciate that.
Now tell the people about some of the things that you do.
All I'll say is that and don't be humble. A multifaceted artist, you know, actor, dancer, performer. I was one of the hosts for Atlanta Carnival this year. Outside of that, you might have seen me on tour with Oprah, Tony Robbins, with Jay Shetty, a few other people. But most importantly, representing for Jamaica, the 876 every day of the year. That's what I've been doing.
Dear Duke, call it up to me. If you know, you know. I go by the name Klassik Frescobar, the Gallem star. Big up my dog, Yaadman, Etan. Whoopsie!
Wagwan's the Gallem favorite, Mr. Sneaky Links. It ain't just dance moves,
Why
baby.
them call him Mr. Sneaky Link, sir?
I don't know, it just happened during quarantine.
So first and foremost, I would just like to say it is a privilege, my sir, to shake your hand in a real life. I meet in a real life. I see you perform in a real life. Problem child. This is my first time I see you perform, my boss. Yeah, man, for real.
Congratulations.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Thank you so much.
The both of us.
Yeah. How much have you had to drink today, sir?
Well, are we going by the bottle or by the cup? I will say I've had enough bottles to feed a family.
Okay.
And I'm still standing.
Are you still standing? How much you drink today?
Yes.
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 Yes. You know, I'm just try to get some advice for the newcomers to the soca scene.
To prepare for Carnival, first of all, the Gallem, leave your man at home.
Yeah, boy.
Two, make sure the waistline is sturdy. It gotta be nice and right. That's it.
Yeah.
I don't got time for all the juke back something. No, I don't got time for that.
They need fluidity, they need rotation.
That's it.
Double D40.
And then three, all you need is rum. You get rum, it give you superpowers. And you breathe bear gal on the road, bear gal forget. And then the Gallem, they don't say no. And you gotta play with a band. Real men play mass. Alright?
Real men play mass.
Real men play mass. Alright?
The thing about Carnival is you want to make sure if you're here and you're not sweating, you have a problem,
Yes.
right? Sweat out the rum as best as you can.
Yes.
That's point number one.
Yes.
That will keep you from vomiting on the side of the road.
Yes. We need to talk about Vincent Mas.
Oh Lord, that's a whole different experience.
What kind of advice would you give to newcomers?
We need a whole entire show just to cover Vincent Mas, but
Yeah.
in a brief synopsis, man, Vincent Mas is an experience. Everything you want down there.
Yeah.
You can't get the nice, cool, well-dressed event, but you're not gonna leave like that. That's just how you're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Then it's like different stages of the youth them who just wild and crazy.
Yeah.
You see the flares, you see the mask, you see the everything
Yeah.
powder, craziness. Then there's the people that right there in the stand that could go either way. That either you get that, or they go to the more relaxed type of vibes. But everything always end up being meshed together.
Okay.
The costumes are pretty. The island is beautiful. Police.
Yo, when you're ready for fling the microphone, I'm gonna say,
Now, Vincent Mas, as much as I can say, you just gotta come and experience for yourself, man. It's a beautiful thing.
I am hoping to get that opportunity.
I promise you one thing: if you reach Vincent Mas, you will never stop coming back.
For real.
I promise.
Every
you.
year.
I know somebody who's not even a Vincent that got a Vincent flag tattoo just off of one experience.
And I have some people in Vinci who've been calling me to come back to Vinci Mas, you know. I was there earlier this year, hike up La Soufre, been to Beckwith.
That's to get you ready for the mass.
Yeah, man. Tell me something, do you have any, it don't have to be one of your own stories, but you have any memories of people going a bit too hard on liquor? This is just to, remind the people them to, drink responsibly. And the stories that you have to tell the people there.
There was once upon a time where a young man did his first playing mass, and it wasn't street vibes, it wasn't Appleton, but he decided to drink white rum from morning and ended up falling out of a tree. What was he doing in the tree? Whining a girl. However, he learned from that lesson and has not climbed the tree to whine a girl since. Okay. I have now decided to climb and decided to truck. All right. Well, he decided to climb and decided to truck from that point forward.
I remember one time,
driving home from concert, drunk. Girl say, yo, can you drive well? I said, I can drive phenomenal, baby. She climbed over into the driver's side while I'm driving. We doing 95 on the I-95. Based on the true story, yes.
Hey, turn back with you. All right, then. Skin out your tight, pull out it.
Boom, I got a story. In New York, Labor Day, Carnival, right? So I'm riding, this is my first time driving to the Parkway. I lived in Queens, so it's my first time driving. So I had a car full of people. I picked up this girl who I met on Facebook. She came in the car, she said she just got off of work, she's drinking a bottle to the head, it's vodka. So then I had Ray and Nephew. She took the Ray and Nephew and started throwing the Ray and Nephew back. So I said, yo, that's Jamaican rum. You can't mess with Ray and his nephews. Like, they'll jump you, it's serious, it's critical. She, I'm a drinker, Then after that, before we even got to park, she was like,
Mr. Sneaker Links, big up yourself every time, my boss.
outside.
All right, we're outside, ATL Carnival. Yo,
What's poppin'? What's the question?
have you ever played mass before? Is this
Play
the
mass?
first time?
No, I ain't played mass yet. Next year, though.
Next year, though.
For a fact.
Have you ever
I'm
been to
outside.
Carnival before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Three years in a row.
All right. So you have any drunken stories you want to tell about yourself or maybe somebody else? Somebody who went a bit too hard on the road?
I've been drunk is rump on the body gal. The big body gal. Been rump. Rump on her. No cap. Been outside. Hey, I gotta pop outside. Atlanta Carnival 2024, you know the vibes, yo.
2024, you don't know the vibes.
Pop outside, you know the vibes.
All right, boss. Big up yourself every time, you know.
If you look at a skinny man like me, give me some already talk, cause I want time.
It's crazy how I used to live in Atlanta, and in a sense I had to come back to Atlanta and be a tourist. You see me? But Atlanta, you have a special place in my heart, and I guess that just can't go nowhere. So that means maybe I just have to deb out the place. Oh, yo, big up yourself every time, my G. See it there, Atlanta. Special place in my heart, and I wear that. We're out, Atlanta, official Carnival.
I just want to encourage you guys, encourage my viewers, if you get the opportunity to travel, take it. Learn something from this travel experience. We as Caribbean people, we may have so many different things in common, yet at the same time, we have things that make us different. And we have the ability to learn from each other, and we don't know enough about each other. We're in the same region, we listen to each other music all the time. Big up on yourself. God bless you know. Yeah, drink responsibly. I'm out.